Welcome to Jam That Life music channel. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more inspiring music. Music you'll only find right here. Thank you ever so much for your support.
So strong, reggae music lifted hearts, carried us along. Take me back to the dance all day, where the fire burned bright and the whole place swayed. Take me back, let the music play. Real reggae love never fade away. Oh, never fade away. Yeah. Now the world moved fast, chasing likes and screams, but the culture we had was a living dream. No glitter, the songs we sung in the dance hall yard, where the people young. Take me back to the dance hall days, where the rhythm of love set our hearts ablaze. Take me back to the roots, to the sound. Reggae lifted us high, never let us down. Oh, I miss those nights when the music gave us life. Voices raised so proud, lifted high above the Take me back to the dance all day. Take me back, let the music play. Take me back to the roots, to the sound. Reggae still alive, still strong, still around. Never fade away, yeah. Oh, yeah. Reggae shall live on.
Hey family, a huge thank you to all my incredible subscribers. You are the reason this channel is alive and kicking. Let's take it to the next level. Share the link, tell a friend, and let's hit 1,000 subscribers together. Because when we get there, the music won't just keep coming. It's going to get bigger, better, and even more exclusive, right here and nowhere else. So keep showing love, keep that energy high, and let's make history together.